Raptors win 3 out of 5 on the road. My man Matt Devlin wrapping up the game right now. Welcome to Life from the Couch. Keel Augustine, Raptors.com, and NBA TV Canada. My notes for today's game, first off, Bayless making it really hard, along with the rest of the Raptors backcourt, big game for the Raptors backcourt, on Deron Williams, 8 of 20 from the field, so that's pretty impressive. And that is the key when you're talking about stopping this Nets team. He's the engine. He's what makes them go. DeMar, really great job attacking in the second half. They got on the fast break, and people talk about how do you get DeMar back rolling. Well, you saw it tonight. I mean, 27 points for him, and you saw him in the open court a whole lot. And I think that's very important, getting, defense translating into offense, so doing Casey's defense, working out for DeMar and allowing him to get, a quick offensive rhythm. The Raptors got their first win without Andrea Bargnani this season, so that's a big deal for them and their confidence moving forward. So a good trip overall for the Toronto Raptors. They managed to maintain a 20-point lead throughout, I think, probably around like 11-minute mark, was it? I can't remember, but the importance was they took the approach to finish it out all the way. So big win for the Toronto Raptors. And, wrapping up a good road trip. That's it from Life on the Couch. Keel Augustine. Shout out to everyone on Twitter. See you guys later.